Having trouble with Ctfmon.exe not starting automatically on Windows 11? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to fix it. Search for regedit in the search bar. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. When prompted, click Yes. Now follow these steps in the registry editor. Expand hkey_local_machine. Expand Software. Expand Microsoft. Then Windows, and then current version. Click on the Run folder. In the blank space on the right, right-click and select New String Value. Name the new string Ctfmon. Next, find the Ctfmon file. Open File Explorer and go to this PC. Open the C drive, then navigate to the Windows folder. Open the System32 folder. Find the Ctfmon file, right-click on it, and select Copy as Path. Now go back to the registry editor. Double-click on the Ctfmon string you just created. Paste the Ctfmon path into the value field, but make sure to remove the quotation marks at the beginning and end of the path. Click OK to save. Finally, right-click on the Start menu and restart your PC. And that's it. Ctfmon.exe should now start automatically. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.